Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Masala. Today we're going to make this absolutely delicious seafood recipe. This is something very different and very simple to make. We're going to make steamed green masala fish. Now I can't tell you how flavorful and delicious this is. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So I've taken a nice fresh fillet of sea bass. I've cut the sea bass fillet into 5 pieces. Sprinkle a little bit of salt onto all the pieces and just rub it gently. So next I'm going to make a nice masala. This is green masala paste. Add about half cup of freshly grated coconut to the mixer jar. Add a piece of ginger chopped. Add a few cloves of garlic chopped. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon salt. Add a few curry leaves, add about 5 green chilies, add a cup of fresh coriander leaves and add a cup of fresh mint leaves. So this is going to add a lot of flavor to the fish. Add the juice of 1 lemon, add a little water. Make sure you grind the paste nice and fine. It should be nice and smooth. You don't want it to be a coarse paste. The masala paste is done. Keep this aside. We're going to steam cook the fish using banana leaves. So I've just cut the banana leaves into 2 and I'm just going to roll it over the flame so it becomes nice and soft and it's easier to wrap. Place a little bit of the masala onto the leaf. Place the fish piece on top of the masala. Place a little more of the masala on top of the fish piece and rub it all over so the piece is completely covered with the masala. So once the fish piece is completely coated with the masala, gently wrap the leaf around, fold it on all sides. I'm cutting off a thin piece of the banana stem and I'm going to use it to actually tie the parcel. Now you don't have to do this. You can also use a normal string to tie this parcel. Place all the wrapped fish parcels in a steamer. Steam cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the parcels from the steamer, cut it open and you can see it's cooked to perfection. It's absolutely gorgeous and let me tell you, the flavors are just incredible. Wow, you can see how soft and juicy the fish is. Make sure the fish is nice and fresh while trying this recipe and it's coated with an incredibly delicious and flavorful green masala. Now this is a must-try recipe, guys. So there you go. Here is this absolutely simple and delicious steamed green masala fish. Now I have made this with a nice fillet of sea bass, but you can make it with any fish of your choice. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.